Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to take the MBTI personality test in Heartopia. In this latest Heartopia update, there's a new event called Shape of You, where you can take a MBTI personality test in the game. First, just tap on the globe icon on your screen, and then just tap the discovery like this, and then just tap on the Shape of You menu. And then next, just tap on Go to start the task, and then just tap on start. And then in here you will need to answer 16 questions about your personality. There are no right or wrong answer, so just choose the options that fits you the most. Just answer all the questions, and then after finishing all the questions, just simply submit like this, and then just tap on yes, and that's it. You will instantly get your MBTI results. And after the event start, there will also be MBTI theme outfit available at Curiosity shop, so don't forget to check them out. And then for this test, you can also restart the test if you want. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.